Yeah, I know it's not Christmas time, but Santa Claus. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns. 3-4 Yugoslavia. Any and everything down below. Now then, there's that IMC5. It's really small. But what is really cool about this dispenser is we can show you another flashlight trick. So I know you've seen my video on the, I hope you have, on how to spot hidden damage. Well, let us use our cell phone light. And let's put a PEZ dispenser on top of said light. And now we can see inside of this cool dispenser. Sure, it being very translucent really helps with this effect, but it helps show you how the light can just show everything. That's really cool. But today's video is on Santa Claus and something that he can teach us. So I was asked the question, hey Josh, how is it that these dispensers can be this way? How the sides, so, you know, this is the patent side, but they aren't on the same side of the dispenser. The heads are different. And then when we turn it around, the heads should be facing the same way, but again, they aren't. On the non-patent side, they're facing away. So why is this? Well, it depends on how the homeworker put the item together. I like these 3-4 Yugo Santas. Really cool. Again, almost clear. Very cool. So, this is why. Inside is that candy button. Okay? And we're going to pop the candy button. Like so. There it is. You gotta wear eye protection sometimes when you're doing this. Okay, so the 4 parts of a PEZ dispenser. You have this inner spring that pushes the candy button, which allows your candy to come up here to the head, so the head can push it out, and then all of this goes inside the stem. So a homeworker would have these 4 pieces. Depending on how they were holding this item when they inserted this, that's my guess. To my knowledge, there's no status quo. The made-in isn't just on the left side of the head, and it's not just on the right side of the head. It's just however they decided to do it. But if I take my candy button, see how it's round there on the back? So round there, and it's squared off here. I put the round piece in the back. Now, as I push this through, here in the back, see where it's sticking out here? It's hard to hold. Okay, see how it's sticking out? Now I am going to hold the spring in place and then hold this candy button, if it wants to work right with me, and it's not. So do I want this? No, I want the patent number on the left side of the head. So we will do it this way. Now, I'll take my nifty tool that I have here, and I'll push the back down first. And as I push down the back, it doesn't want to work with me. Probably because I'm looking at it. So, a heads up. Everything I'm doing, I look through the camera. I am not looking away from the camera as I do this, and this is my first time doing it this way. Is this what robotic surgery is like? If so, I do not want to be a robot surgeon. So, I'm getting ready to pop the button. Sorry, I have to do it this way. Oh! Oh! It hit me in the nose that time. Ah! Yeah, you got to be careful with these. I have a bad tool for the job, maybe. Let's do it this way. "10 minutes later," this thing still isn't working. Santa baby, you're killing me. All right, we will do this. Right, Santa? All right. So I'm pushing in the back with my tool. And I'm pushing down on the front of the button. I'm going to pull. And now it is set. And it happens to be on that side. Oh no, that's where it was before! And we're right back to where we started from. But at least we know the answer to that question. So until next time...